Tumkur is one of the educational hubs in Karnataka. It comprises innumerable finest educational institutions. We feel proud to see that our Indira PU College is one among them in Tumkur. It was established by Sri C. Shivamurthy, Founder Secretary, with the vision of imparting quality-based education. Indira PU College is located at Upparalli Tumkur at walkable distance from railway station as well as from bus stand. It is accompanied with serene atmosphere and bathed in a beautiful green bay. The institution provides an adequate quantity with an excellent infrastructure. Indira PU College offers the courses in Science, Commerce and Arts. In Science, PCMB, PCMCS. In Commerce, EBACS. And in Arts, HEPS and HSEED, which is affiliated to PU Board, Bangalore. Indira PU College inspires, challenges and empowers our diverse multicultural community of learners to realize their goals and optimizes academic excellence in effective, supportive, secure and accessible learning environment and ensuring that each grows to understand that serving and caring for others brings the highest rewards in life and the greatest likelihood of long-term happiness and fulfillment. Our respected coordinator, Shri Sudhir Murthy S, MSc, MEd, MPhil. He is the person with discipline and creative mind behind the wellness and growth of the institution. Our respected principal, Shri GBC Gowda, MA, a person with enormous experience and a kind human being who leads the college with great passion. Our staff, highly qualified, committed and competent staff are the strength of any institution. Our institution is satisfied this requirement to the maximum. One can experience the guidance, cooperation, affection and student-friendly teacher of our institution. The faculty members are bound by the loyalty to the profession and very keen to provide the quality education of standards and incubate integrity to the students. Department of Physics, Sri Rangaswamy KN, MSc, B.Ed. A person with 10 years of lecturing experience and well inclined towards the subject. Department of Chemistry, Shri Sudhir Murthy S, HOD. A person with 15 years of lecturing experience in chemistry who works with more enthusiasm and dedicated towards the subject and the institution. Shri Wasim Pasha, MSc B.Ed. Assistant lecturer in chemistry who is a person with a lot of care and concern towards students and potentialized in subject. Department of Mathematics, Shri Mahesh Kumar KN, MSc MEd. A person who works hard, committed and very punctual towards the students and also the subject. Department of Biology, Srimati Anita, MSc B.Ed and pursuing PhD. A person lively passionate in the subject and creates livelihood of the subject in students. Department of Computer Science, Shri Mohan, MSc B.Ed. Department of Kannada, Srimati Rashmi, MA B.Ed. Department of English, Shri Ellappa, MA. Department of History, Shri Dr. Ramesh, MA PhD. Department of Urdu, Shri Gauss Sharif, MA. Department of Economics, Shri GBC Gowda, MA. Department of Business Studies, Ms. Padma, MA B.Ed. Department of Accountancy, Srimati Tanuja, MCom. Our campus. The statue of Goddess Saraswati is carved beautifully in the college courtyard. She ushers in the aspirants of learning with divine blessings. She is the goddess of knowledge, arts and music. She is also considered the down goddesses whose rays dispel the darkness of ignorance. As far as the college concerned, it is strongly believed that Goddess Saraswati endows the aspirants of learning with the powers of speech, wisdom, and set a golden threshold for their bright future. Our classrooms. Our classrooms are more spacious with adequate ventilation and lighting. Our lectures help the students to acquire the knowledge by giving individual concentration. The classrooms are highly enjoyable and it demands active participation of students, which creates an interactive atmosphere. In our college, the classroom lecturing is well guided, individually monitored, highly knowledgeable, and also resourceful. Lab facility. The lab set in Indira PU College are well sophisticated with the latest devices and infrastructure so as to impart proper and sufficient practical coaching in physics, chemistry, biology, and computer science. The students can gain practical experience through demonstration and experience for the future challenges and research. The labs hold a place of pride in the college. They are fully equipped with the required tools to ensure students have an exceptional education and rewarded science laboratory experience. Open and flexible space in lab promise creative learning opportunities. The practical work at labs helps the students in objectives of teaching science. All the labs are seen with adequate lighting and ventilation. The safety measures have also been taken into the consideration to provide any undone happening in the labs. The labs are maintained and supervised by well experienced and dedicated faculty members with immense care and concern. Helping classes. Slow learners, Kannada medium students are supported with these classes. A group of selected students will attend these classes, which plays an important role in enhancing their performance and bringing them into the mainstream. Usually in these classes, we clarify their doubts and mentoring process will be done by our resourceful lecturers. Seminar hall. Well ventilated and spacious seminar hall accommodating about 150 students with audio-visual aid. OHP and LCD facilities are available for the conduct of regular orientation programs like extension lectures, guest lectures, and personality development classes. Regular unit tests. Learning in each unit is monitored by unit tests held in every month of the academic session and followed by valuable feedback. Practice examinations. 3 practice examinations are conducted to ensure the performance of the students and make them confident about the examination. Automated student performance report and absent report are sent to parents' mobile number, which helps them to track the students regularly. Study material. Exclusive study materials are provided for all the subjects, which is competitive, exclusive, exam-oriented, sufficient, and simple for easy learning. Additional coaching. The college is associated with career launches. It is running coaching program for entrance exam like CET, COMEDK, AIEEE, JEE, and AIPMT. All these are conducted within the college premises after the college hours. Co-curricular activities. We provide a good space for sports and cultural activities which imparts the physical and mental health of the students. With all these innovative facilities in our college, we heartily invite to start your journey towards success with us. Thank you one and all.